Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a quick search bar in Excel with the auto highlighting search results, all without using VBA. In our last video, we demonstrated this using Office 365, but today we will focus on older Excel version without using the filter function. Before we start, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you are watching this on Facebook, don't forget to follow and share with your friend. Let's get started without any further delay. Step 1. First, head over to the Developer tab and insert a text box. This will be our search box. Step 2. Next, we need to link this text box to a cell. To do this, right-click the text box, go to Properties, and in the linked cell field, specify the cell you want to link it. Here we will define D1. Once done, exit design mode by clicking on it again. Step 3. Now, let's add a conditional formatting to highlight search results automatically. To do this, select the range of data where you want to search, then go to the conditional formatting, new rule, and enter the following formula and define your formatting color. With this setup, whenever you type something in the text box, the matching cell will be highlighted. And that's it. You now have a quick search box in Excel with the automatic results highlighting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.